Hi, today's experiment is called Exploding Colors. First, start with milk. I poured it into the bottom of this plate. Then I'm going to use 4 food colors. I'm going to just put 1 dot each into the milk, hopefully not touching each color and not spilling it on my rug. Got my yellow. Here's the best color of all. Now hopefully these colors aren't too far apart for this to happen. Maybe I should try to get them a little closer. Blue and red. That's the part that maybe your mother or your father would do. The next part you can do. You're going to get a Q-tip and put it in some Dawn or other dish detergent. And then you're just going to place the Q-tip in the center, and hopefully if it works, you'll watch the colors explode. Pretty cool, huh? Can you see that? All right, till next week.